Welcome to the latest episode of PinkCraftBunny. This time we explore 4 Brothers Brewing in Jodhpur. The draft beer seems to be going more positive than I could have anticipated in India. Let's see what 4 Brothers has got installed for us. There are only 3 brews on tap, so I ordered a lot to come at once. This wasn't because I was thirsty from the heat, this was because the venue was definitely a nightclub and looked a little sketchy with no daylight, and it was 1:30 in the afternoon. You are in for a treat. First up, it's the Witbier. This Witbier delivers a clean, hop-heavy profile with bold flavours that stand out. While the taste is alright, the hazy appearance feels artificial rather than naturally unfiltered. The strong hop presence adds depth, but the visual inconsistency slightly detracts from the experience. Overall, a flavourful yet visually misleading brew. Next out, it's the mango beer. This brew hits hard, with an overpowering alcohol presence, making it difficult to enjoy. While sweet mango attempts to balance it, the boozy intensity dominates, leaving an unrefined finish. The combination feels unbalanced rather than harmonious, making for a harsh drinking experience that lacks the smoothness expected in a well-crafted brew. This tasting experience is making this a chore, but with one more to go, I have to just dig deep. It's the Peach Beer. Homebrew style at its worst. A flat sherbet fizz without the fizz or the sherbet. The alcohol masks everything, which makes me think that this isn't the real deal. It feels unbalanced and unrefined. I'm tasting this so you don't have to. As you have already noticed, I didn't focus any time on developing the tasting note cards. You're not gonna need them. This is definitely one to miss. Be sure to like and subscribe, and also check out PinkCraftBunny's other socials on Twitter and Instagram. Remember folks, gotta taste them all. Apparently.